The currently most pressing issue is the capacity utilization. As you know, 4 or 5 years back, the auto industry, tractor industry was in a good growth path, because of which all the foundry people, we have installed new capacities. Whereas in the last 2 years, there has been a considerable drop in the demand for the castings. The growth in the auto industry has come down. The growth in the tractor industry has come down. Even the industries like iron and steel or the cement, the growth has come down. And this has put tremendous pressure on the foundry industry, because we have capacity utilizations as low as 40–50%, because we created capacity. This is one major issue. In addition to that, there are some plus points, is that the raw material or the commodity prices are coming down. When the commodity prices are coming down, naturally our customers are expecting a proportionate drop in the prices of the casting. Whereas the raw materials typically contribute only to 50% of our cost of manufacturing, whereas the other is the manpower cost, the fixed cost on the capital. Those costs are not coming down, rather they are going up, because we are on the growing trajectory as far as the manpower cost is concerned. The living standards are improving and we are part of that, and the costs are going up. I think managing the cost in a scenario where there is no inflation is also a big challenge. And the other one is that last 2 decades, most of the engineers went to the IT industry, and the foundry could not attract good quality engineering talent to the industry. And today we find that the middle management and even the senior management levels, the good quality manpower to manage the foundries is very scarce. And we find that the effects of that seen in the operations in the foundries. Later, we are trying to make it up by intensive trainings and also extending the retirement ages of the senior people. But it continues to be the challenge. This initiative was most welcomed by the foundry industry, because the foundry is a hardcore manufacturing sector. We start with, for example, our own company, we start with the iron ore and we convert from there to the machined castings. So we take the major part of the manufacturing activity in there. And Make in India was the most welcome thing for us. And we are quite hopeful that it's going to benefit the foundry industry. We'll have more jobs and we can increase our capacity utilization. But on the ground, the things are different. One of the reasons could be the global economic scenario, and also the domestic certain areas like the infrastructure yet to pick up. And because of which, and also because of the bad monsoon, the demand for the castings from the auto sector, tractor sector, and also the general engineering sector, iron and steel industry sector is very low. And the wait has been long. We are looking for last 1.5 years that we can see some light at the end of the tunnel, but I think the wait has been a bit long. But definitely this initiative, Make in India, is a great initiative, and we welcome that, and we would like to work on that. And I am sure that even though there has been small delay, but we always look long term, I am sure that it's going to give lot of benefit and the growth to foundry industry.